In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Word. So what you want to do is open up a Word document and then go over here where it says Design up here, and then all the way to the right to where it says Page Borders. Now make sure it doesn't say Borders up here, but you are inside Page Borders. Okay, so this is where you want to be. And then what you want to do is select Box over here on the left, and you can also play around with the style of the border. So over here is the preview, where you can check the preview of how it's going to look like. In my case, it's, as you can see, it's normal, but you can change it to whatever you'd like. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then down here, you can change the color of the border, okay, to something else. Let's say we want it yellow this time. And then the width of the border, you can change the width as you would like. And then you can also add in art, so it gives you the option of art. As you can see, there are multiple different options. Let's say we want this one, and as you can see, the border has now been adjusted, and it gives this kind of the toxic emojis, okay? But I'm going to turn this off so I can show you further, okay? As we said, it had yellow. There we go. And you can also change where you want the border to be. So you can remove either the top part or the bottom part or the left or the right part of the border, okay? Or just leave it as it is if you want it to be on all sides. And then over here, you can change how you want to be applied. So you can apply it to the whole document, to only the current section, so the current page, or this section, so the first page only, or all except the first page. So the first page is different and will not have a border, and all the others will. In my case, I'm going to select the whole document, and what you then want to do is simply press OK, and there we go. You've got yourself a border inside a Word document.